This Driver's License Bureau. This is one of their committee meetings. Just listen to this for a minute.
We've had a lot of cases where we were seeding storms that had no business being seeded. We were just kind of throwing darts, and we were seeing responses to some of those. So we are learning that maybe there's more opportunity with some of these. Maybe we don't even need to have a rain cloud. We could go work cumulative congested clouds that aren't really precipitating yet. And if it has inflow, maybe we could get something to work. Year one, we had the air tractor that the USDA provided, so dosaging was a lot better. We were getting about 40 to 45 gallons per cloud. That aircraft wasn't available in year two, so we took one of our Comanches and converted it.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the committee. I'm George Bomar, Weather Modification Program Specialist in the Office of Innovation and Project Management. Since our last meeting in November, we have had completed the radar-derived assessment of cloud seeding operations done in Texas during 2018. That study is done on an annual basis by...
Now, I've got that full-length video on all my channels somewhere. I've knocked down their whole hour and a half down into 1 hour. Now, you can also go to the power company in Utah, and they actually run ground-based cloud seeding operations in California throughout the San Gabriel Mountains. They have, was going to put the clip up here, but I couldn't find it. I got it somewhere, I just couldn't find it. But they're doing cloud seeding from Utah for California with ground-based silver iodide rocket launching things. Now, one other thing about the PG&E, they also are in cahoots with this company called Solarian. Solarian Incorporated is a Southern California startup created to use solar energy from terrestrial electrical usage. The company is under contract negotiated with Pacific Gas and Electric Company to California to deliver 200 megawatts of power for at least 15 years, starting in 2016. What are we talking about here? We're talking about space mirrors, satellites beaming down, 200 megawatts of power, beaming down to, a receiver. And we think a lot of this is what's causing the fires, incinerating, Paradise and all these other places. Space-based solar power. It's basically a space mirror beaming down high amounts of microwaves. And sometimes these things fluctuate. Sometimes they get a little bit too hot and incinerate things. So just so you know, and like I said, PG&E has got away with so much murder. I don't even know what the death count's up to now. And they cut your power whenever they want.